Hey guys, this is Mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can deposit the customer payments to a bank account directly rather than depositing them to undeposited funds account in QuickBooks Desktop. Well, QuickBooks is one of the widely used accounting software which offers a range of features designed to simplify the financial management for businesses of all sizes. One of these features is the undeposited funds account, and neglecting to use the undeposited funds account in QuickBooks can lead to several financial and operational issues like inaccuracy of financial records, reconciliation issues, etc. But skipping the undeposited funds account might simplify the data entry process for the businesses with straightforward payment processes and a low volume of daily transactions, and you can record payments directly into the appropriate bank account when they are received. Anyhow, to change the undeposited funds account, open your company file, and when you go to the receive payments, here it shows no separate field. Instead, it poses a question, where does this payment go? Now, let's create an invoice and see exactly where does this payment go. So, go to create invoices and select your customer. Then change the date and add some item. And make other changes according to your need, and then click on Save and Close to create the invoice. Now, go to Receive Payments and select your customer. Then select the invoice you are receiving your payment against. Then write the check number and click on Save and Close to receive the payments. Now, when you go to Record Deposits, it shows the payment here instead of a bank account at this point in time. And then to deposit the payment into a bank account, you just select your payment on this window and click on OK. Here, you then select the bank account where you want to deposit this payment and change the date according to your need. And then you simply click on Save and Close to record the payment. And when you go to Chart of Accounts and open the concerned bank account, it shows the amount here. Now, let's change it. And to change it, go to the Preferences under Edit menu and select Payments. And under Company Preferences tab, uncheck this checkbox which says Use undeposited funds as a default deposit to account, and then click on OK. QuickBooks will ask you to close all the open windows. Just click on OK and it will close all the open windows. Then click on Home on the side menu and go to the Receive Payments. And here you can see that instead of posing the question again, it shows a new field. Now let's create another invoice and come back to the Receive Payments. Here, select your customer, write your check number and select the invoice you are receiving the payment against. And now, by clicking on this drop down of this field, we can change the undeposited funds account to any account we want to use, or create a new one by clicking on the Add New button. So select your account and click on Save and Close to receive the payment. Now let's check the Record Deposits window. And here you can see that it's not showing here this time. Instead, it's been deposited directly into the selected bank account. And if you want to use the undeposited funds account again, just change the settings and check mark the checkbox, and you can start using the undeposited funds account again. And this is how you can deposit the customer payments to a bank account directly rather than depositing them to undeposited funds account in QuickBooks Desktop. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.